Welcome to ILA Solutions here at IPC Apex. I'm delighted to be joined by Bob Drake, who's the North America and Canada Sales Manager.
Correct. Thank you, Trevor. Good to see you again.
Yes, of course. Now, of course, the most obvious thing since we last spoke, Bob, is there's been a name change. Why have we changed our name to ILA Solutions?
Sure. ILA Solutions is a joint venture of Apex Factory Automation and Interlat of Mexico. So now we cover Mexico, U.S. and Canada with sales and service, and we've got a tremendous exposure to the market for people in both markets with sales, service, and applications engineering covering the market.
Right. That's a big increase in territory for sure. Let's turn our attention to the equipment side. I mean, you typically represent a lot of the leading Korean brands, and the one behind us here, for example, is SJ Innotek. This is the HP 520E. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yes, this is a new model we're introducing at the show. It's our lowest cost, but yet fully functional high-end printer features at an economical price, including 3-zone conveyor, automatic conveyor width, load cell support, 2D SPI, lead screw-driven camera positioning system, so very high-end features suitable for 24/7 operation at a very economical price.
Wow. So this is your entry-level machine?
Yes, entry-level, yeah. And you go from there. We have a lot of different sizes and lengths, up to 1.5 meter long capability.
Right, yes, because I remember you do the long ones for the LED manufacturing and that type of thing.
A couple of years ago at the show, indeed, yep.
So what else do you have on the booth here today?
Sure, we're also introducing the Xavis C080 parts counter, X-ray parts counter. A very accurate machine. It has a 17-inch square FPD, which is the detector that reads through the parts to count them accurately. This system is suitable down to 0105s, very small parts with 99.9 to 100% accuracy. Some of the other machines use line scans that move and take more time, so this system is a very robust, high-quality solution for automated parts counting.
And using a flat panel display, you're going to get sharper images and that type of thing.
No movement at all in the system. Once you slide the machine, slides the parts into the X-ray area.
Right. Okay. What's the cycle time like?
Cycle time per a 7-inch reel is 9 seconds. We can do 4 at a time. It's about 20 seconds for 4. We could also do 13 and 15-inch reels as well. And we can also do basic circuit boards if somebody wants to look at simple BGA bridging and ball missing detection. It's not going to replace a full quality 2.5D machine. We can do trays, tubes, strips of tape, any kind of thing that could be put in the stage.
And can it be married up with a storage tower or something like that?
So we supply it with a barcode scanner and a printer, so you can print labels right at the machine. We can hook that up to a storage system or to the ERP system directly to automatically and immediately update parts counts in the ERP systems.
Okay, that's fine. So you've also, one of the bigger ranges you've got is the Murray pick and place range, and you've got an example on the booth here of the odd form placements machine. Yep. What's unique about that?
Well, the Murray MAI, which is in the far corner, is really a class-leading, we feel best-in-class odd parts insertion machine. We have available clinching, ability to feed from bowl feeders. We have up to 5 levels of stacked bowl feeding, so high-density component feeding for bulk parts. We have axial and radial feeders, tube changers, and all those, all that tooling, including gripper nozzles, are built by Murray. So we don't use a third party. So the buck stops here, and we can supply a complete soup to nuts solution for our customers. We have 4, 6, 8, and 12 head machines, so we can automate at very high speed compared to many of the other robotic systems that are typically 1 or 2 heads. And we can dedicate grippers to each head, so we don't have to do nozzle changes if you have a variety of different components. We really feel it's the best-in-class solution for odd parts insertion.
What's the maximum component size then?
So 55 over 55 millimeters. We can do press inserts as well, up to 147 newtons, and we monitor the force control during that process.
That was going to be my next question. The force control you can do on the Z height. What sort of Newton force can you get on that?
Up to 140. The standard head is 47 newtons. The high force insertion head is 147 newtons.
It's huge. Yeah, that's big.
Yeah, some of those parts are big. We're doing a project for a major Tier 1 CEM we're placing DIMM sockets, which are over 4 inches long and require force insertion into the board for the pins, and we can do that with this new head.
Great. Well, Bob, there's a lot happening here on ILA Systems and, of course, the new partnership. Thank you for sharing that with us today, and good luck with the new partnership with Interlatin.
Thank you very much, Trevor. Good to see you again.